Emerging technologies are poised to reshape the world in ways that make our current advancements seem outdated. Science and innovation are pushing the limits of what's possible, addressing some of humanity's most urgent challenges. These groundbreaking developments are not only transforming industries but also our daily lives. From artificial intelligence revolutionizing scientific discovery to medical breakthroughs in organ transplantation, these technologies hold the potential to redefine the future. Below are 10 of the most promising technologies to watch, along with the ethical questions and challenges they bring. In January 2024, David Bennett Sr. became the first person to receive a genetically modified pig heart as part of a groundbreaking xenotransplantation procedure. This is a huge step in the effort to solve the critical organ shortage that affects over 100,000 Americans awaiting transplants. Scientists are working to genetically modify pig organs to make them compatible with the human body, which could potentially lead to an endless supply of organs. While this holds incredible promise, the technology faces ethical concerns, especially from animal rights activists, and the risks of transmitting zoonotic diseases. Despite these challenges, the potential to save countless lives is enormous, though it raises profound questions about the boundaries between human and animal life. With the global population growing rapidly and placing immense pressure on our food systems, scientists are exploring alternative sources for livestock feed. Over 1.3 billion tons of food waste are produced worldwide every year. Repurposing this waste into livestock feed could address both food scarcity and environmental waste. One promising solution is using black soldier fly larvae, which consume food waste and transform it into protein-rich feed for animals. In trials, chickens fed insect-based diets showed comparable growth to those fed traditional feed. Another exciting innovation involves using single-cell proteins derived from bacteria, yeast, or algae grown on industrial byproducts. Scaling up production and ensuring the quality of these feed sources are key challenges, but these alternatives could significantly enhance the sustainability of animal agriculture in the future. Engineered microbes are emerging as powerful tools in the battle against climate change. Scientists have modified certain bacteria and algae to consume CO2 from the atmosphere and convert it into useful products like biofuels and biodegradable plastics. One such microbe, Mucus elongatus, has been engineered to produce ethanol from CO2 more efficiently than many plants. At a large scale, these microbes could potentially sequester gigatons of CO2 annually, helping to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. However, this technology also presents challenges. The stability and safety of these engineered organisms in open environments need to be thoroughly tested, and there are concerns about potential ecological disruptions. Additionally, the energy required to maintain these systems at an industrial scale remains a significant hurdle. Elastocaloric materials could change the way we heat and cool our homes, offices, and industrial spaces. These materials, when stretched or compressed, change their temperature. When released, they return to their original temperature, absorbing heat in the process. Elastocaloric systems are expected to be up to 30% more efficient than traditional refrigeration and air conditioning systems, which are responsible for approximately 10% of global electricity consumption. Additionally, elastocaloric systems do not require harmful refrigerants like hydrofluorocarbons, HFCs, which are potent greenhouse gases. However, many elastocaloric materials, such as nickel-titanium alloys, are expensive and prone to degradation over time. Researchers are exploring more affordable, eco-friendly alternatives like natural rubber, though these materials are still in the early stages of development. Immersive technologies are blurring the line between the physical and digital worlds, changing the way we design, construct, and interact with the built environment. For example, cities like Helsinki are using digital twins to simulate and optimize everything from traffic flow to energy consumption. This allows urban planners to test different scenarios before making decisions. Augmented reality, AR, is transforming the construction industry as well, allowing workers to view 3D blueprints overlaid on physical spaces, which reduces errors by up to 90%. However, as cities become more connected and data-driven, privacy concerns are likely to intensify. Additionally, the digital divide could deepen if access to these technologies isn't equitably distributed. Integrated Sensing and Communication, ISAC, is a revolutionary technology that could turn our wireless infrastructure into a vast sensing system. ISAC uses radio waves not only to transmit data but also to gather information about the environment, such as detecting movement, monitoring air quality, or mapping surroundings. This technology could have applications in smart cities for real-time traffic monitoring, in healthcare for non-invasive patient monitoring, and for enhancing the awareness of autonomous vehicles. Early tests suggest ISAC could boost network capacity by up to 50%. However, ISAC also raises significant privacy concerns, as the technology's ability to detect movement through walls could be misused for surveillance. High-altitude platform stations, HAPS, are essentially flying cell towers located around 20 kilometers above the Earth. They aim to provide internet connectivity to remote areas where traditional infrastructure is difficult or impossible to install. As of 2023, over 2.6 billion people in 100 countries still lack internet access, and HAPS could bridge this gap by providing critical services such as education, telemedicine, and economic opportunities. HAPS are also more cost-effective than building traditional cell towers in sparsely populated areas and can be deployed quickly in response to natural disasters. However, maintaining these platforms in the air for long periods requires advanced materials and energy systems, and navigating complex airspace regulations is a challenge. Reconfigurable Intelligent Surfaces, RIS, are smart panels that can dynamically alter their electromagnetic properties, allowing them to redirect wireless signals to areas with poor coverage. RIS could significantly enhance signal strength, create interference-free zones, and improve network capacity by up to 10 times. In dense urban areas, this could dramatically improve connectivity without requiring the installation of additional base stations. RIS could also enable precise indoor positioning, with accuracy down to a centimeter, transforming industries like healthcare and manufacturing. However, creating surfaces that can manipulate signals effectively across a wide range of frequencies is technically challenging and could be expensive. Privacy concerns also arise, as the ability to control wireless signals could lead to targeted surveillance. As the digital world collects more personal data, protecting privacy becomes increasingly important. Privacy-enhancing technologies, PETs, are designed to safeguard personal information. Examples include homomorphic encryption, which allows computations on encrypted data without decrypting it first, and federated learning, which enables AI models to be trained on distributed datasets without centralizing the data. These technologies can unlock new possibilities in healthcare, finance, and other industries by allowing collaboration without compromising privacy. However, PETs are computationally intensive, which can slow down systems or increase costs, making their widespread adoption a challenge. Artificial intelligence is fundamentally changing how we conduct scientific research. In drug discovery, AI-designed drugs entered human clinical trials in 2023, developed in just 12 months and at a fraction of the usual cost. AI is also helping to predict the properties of new materials, such as those needed for more efficient solar cells, accelerating the transition to renewable energy. Even in theoretical physics, AI is making breakthroughs. One AI model solved a decades-old problem in nuclear fusion. AI's ability to identify patterns in vast datasets is enabling new hypotheses across fields from astronomy to neuroscience. However, concerns about the black box nature of AI systems raise questions about transparency and reproducibility. Additionally, AI can perpetuate biases present in its training data, skewing research outcomes. Ensuring equitable access to AI technologies is critical to prevent disparities in scientific progress. These 10 technologies of 2024 have the potential to reshape our world in profound ways. While their promise is immense, their impact will depend on how we navigate the challenges and ethical considerations they present. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, it's crucial to balance innovation with responsibility. The choices we make today will determine the world we live in tomorrow.